In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline mode in Gmail. This feature is incredibly useful for those times when you might not have access to the internet, but still need to manage your emails. So, let's dive into the process and make sure you're set up for email success, even offline. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Gmail. Simply type in mail.google.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, once you're in your inbox, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a small cog icon, which represents your settings. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where we can make more detailed adjustments. Next, once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Offline. This tab is where all the magic happens for setting up offline mode. In the offline settings, you'll see an option that says Enable Offline Mail. Go ahead and tick that checkbox. It's important to know that enabling offline mode will allow Gmail to store your emails locally on your device, which means all the emails you view or manage will be accessible even without an internet connection. Now, once you've enabled offline mail, you'll see some options to customize your offline experience. You'll need to decide how many days of messages you want to store. Typically, you can choose between 7, 30, or 90 days. Choose the option that best suits your needs based on how far back you need access to your emails. Also, there are settings for attachments. You can choose to download attachments for offline access if you think you'll need them, keeping in mind that this will take up additional storage space on your device. So, plan accordingly based on your device's available storage capacity. Another important setting is the security options. Here, you'll find two main choices. You can either keep offline data on your computer when you log out, or you can choose to remove offline data. Selecting to keep your data will allow you faster access, but if you're using a shared or public computer, it may be safer to remove it after each session. After adjusting the settings to your liking, make sure you hit Save Changes. This will ensure your preferences are applied and you'll be ready to use Gmail offline whenever needed. That covers everything you need to know to set up offline mode in Gmail. Remember, this feature will help you stay productive even when you're not connected to the internet. Simply follow these steps and you'll have seamless access to your emails anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.